want you to join me in a nice, easy line dance. Okay, y'all, this is line dance season. So we're going to add a new dance to your repertoire. Now, this song that we're going to dance to is called Speak to Me by Corinne Hawthorne. If you remember the old Donnie Clurkin song, Speak to My Heart, Lord, this is a remake of that. And it's nice, smooth, and easy, okay? So, first things first, this is a 4-wall dance, which means you will be doing this dance in 4 directions, okay? So the front wall, the side wall, the back wall, the side wall. You're literally going to face all 4 of those directions within this dance, okay? And then there's basically 4 steps that we're doing throughout the dance. Now, one thing to note, line dance is about symmetry. So for the most part, what you do on one side, you're gonna do on the other side, okay? So let's get started. So for the first step, you shuffle, step up, and shuffle, step back. Do it with me. Shuffle, step up, and shuffle, step back. One more time. Shuffle, step up, and shuffle, step back, okay? Feels good, right? And you literally are just doing that front and back in the dance, okay? So after you do that shuffle, step up, shuffle, step back, then we're gonna do a shuffle turn. And you're turning over your left shoulder. So when you shuffle, you are turning in that shuffle. So it looks like shuffle and turn, and shuffle and turn, okay? So you see how we turned and we ended up at the back wall, then back to the front wall. So let's put those 2 steps together. The shuffle, step up, shuffle, step back, shuffle, turn, shuffle, turn. And you'll see me kind of give signals. So this means turn. If I point here, that means we're going to the right. If I point here, that means we're going to the left, all right? So from the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's shuffle, step up, and shuffle, step back. Let's turn, shuffle, and turn, and shuffle, and turn, okay? How does that feel? We doing good? Good. Next, we're gonna shuffle to our right, shuffle to our left, shuffle to our right, shuffle to our left, and then end up in place, okay? So what that looks like is shuffle, step back to the left, shuffle, step back to the right again, shuffle, step back to the left, shuffle, step back in place, okay? So let's put those parts together. The shuffle, step up, shuffle, step back, the shuffle, turn, and then the shuffle right, the shuffle left, okay? Those 3 steps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's shuffle, step up, and shuffle, step back. Let's turn, shuffle, and turn again, shuffle, and turn to the right, shuffle, step back to the left, shuffle, step back to the right, shuffle, step back to the left, shuffle, in place. All right? Now, we are going to step back, sitting in our hip for 2 counts. So what that looks like is step, back and sit, step, back and sit. So you see how I'm like sitting in my hip when I step back. So let's try that with me. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's step and sit and step back and sit, okay? So we did that for 2 counts. Then we're gonna do it for 3 single counts. And we're gonna turn over our left shoulder on the 4th count. So it's 1, 2, 3, and turn. Okay? So let's put those parts together. Let's do that that sit back, okay, with the 2 counts, then the 3 single counts, and the turn over your left shoulder. All right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Move back. 3 and 4. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? then guess what happens? The dance starts all over again. So you're on your side wall now, and we're starting over from the top. So what's our first move? The shuffle step. Let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's shuffle and step up, shuffle and step back. Let's shuffle and turn, and shuffle and turn to the right. Shuffle back to the left. Shuffle, step back to the right. Shuffle, step back to the left. Shuffle and sit in place. Actually, no, I told a story. For the first part of the dance where we're doing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that step back is to like the bridge of the song. She says, you mean the world to me, you are my everything, and I never, no, never ever wanna, I think, go without you. You will hear it because it sounds different. So the only time that we're doing this movement is when that bridge comes on. Outside of the bridge part of that song, so once you get to this wall, you're not gonna do this, okay, because the bridge is not on. So once you go right, step back, and left, step back, and right, step back, and left, you're just gonna turn to the back, okay? Because we don't have the bridge, but we still need to turn to get to our next wall. So basically you're gonna go right, left, right, and then on that last shuffle, just turn to the back. You will feel it and hear it in the song, okay? And again, we're gonna go to all 4 walls in our dance. I will call out the bridge, and then I'll let you know when we're not doing that part for the bridge, okay? So practice, 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 and then join me in the next video